Assist and Assure is a structured coaching program. It doesn't replace our competent site supervision, it doesn't replace our excellent HSE systems. It is there to help us create a questioning environment. It's a very successful program around the world. Today it is keeping many people safe, and we're adopting it for our North Sea operations.
Assist and Assure will only improve safety performance if leaders are fully committed to the process.
The Assist and Assure program is putting more of a structure in it, in the job preparations, also in the supervision of it while the job is being executed.
Assist and Assure is not about the company you work for. It doesn't matter what coveralls you wear. It's all about working together, collaborating to go home safely.
There are four main strands to the Assist and Assure program. The first one is how we run our meetings effectively. There's no new meetings and there's no new paperwork. Secondly is the safe work process. Starting work is never step number one. There are things that have to be done before that. Thirdly is how we supervise our work before, during and after action in a questioning manner. And then finally is how we assure our processes with leading indicators.
There's no additional meetings and there's no additional paperwork. There is increasing participation from personnel and actually identifying those of the more inexperienced people that are going to be performing the task, so they feel engaged and have a chance to answer questions and raise points.
Question what they're doing, ask about their personal roles and responsibilities during the task, ask about what their contingencies are, ask about how they conducted their risk assessment.
And the coaches themselves will be integrated into the well site teams and offer feedback to the personnel on board and hopefully improve the safety behaviours of all on board and part of the teams.
The 7 steps to the Assist and Assure process are clearly mapped out for everyone. Step 1 obviously being the planning.
Step 2, communicate.
Step 3, check equipment.
Step 4, we prepare the area.
Step 5, control energy.
Step 6, final check.
Step 7, start work. Finally, the 7th task is indeed starting the operation after we ensure all the preparatory steps are done properly.
Goal zero supervision. The supervisor must be involved before the toolbox talks, all the way through to the operation of completion.
It's important that supervisors are on the work site, that they intervene where required, and that they also give positive feedback.
Supervision for me is all about leading by example, being visible on the work site, and speaking to the workforce. Supervisors must be involved in all toolbox talks.
Coaches will work with the teams using a simplistic tool called a rose plot, which identifies gaps in the operation or pre-planning, toolbox talks, etc. So areas where they can improve before incidents actually do happen.
This tool should allow us to identify leading indicators rather than wait for something to happen and identify lagging indicators.
We continue to have high potential operations. We're still dropping things that are too heavy from too high that they can kill people or maim people. We still have line of fire incidents and near misses. The Assist and Assure program is here to reduce and eliminate those types of incidents, to send people home to their families in the same way as they came to work.